In this video, I'm going to show you how to evaluate a logarithm. And basically what that amounts to is looking for an exponent. So we know that the base is always on the bottom. So in all of these expressions here for logs, the base in this example is 7. The base here is 3. The base here is also 3. Then we have the base is 6. The base is 81. The base is 11. The base is 6, and the base is 4. So we're going to write our bases down in each example. All right. Now remember that the base is on the bottom, which means it's the one that has the exponent, and that is what we're looking for. When you evaluate a logarithm, because a log is the exponent, that's what you're trying to find, is the exponent. So I'm going to write a little box here above the base to show me that that's the number I'm looking for as my answer when I'm trying to evaluate these logarithms, okay? Now notice what I'm doing here. I'm putting it in exponential form. So this is log form, this column above here, and this column is exponential form. It helps us to put it in exponential form so we can then determine what that exponent has to be. So if all of these are going to be written in exponential form, then we need to write the final number. We have the exponent, we have the base. So this is the value that goes opposite the equal sign in all of these exponential form equations. So I'm going to go ahead and write these numbers. All right, and now I have to ask myself, what exponent do I need on 7 to give me 49? Well, I think that's pretty clear. It would have to be 2, right? Because 7 squared is 49. Now, what exponent on 3 will give me 27? Well, 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, so there have to be an exponent of 3. What exponent on 3 will give me 1/9? Well, in order to get a fraction like this, the reciprocal, you need a negative number. And to turn a 3 into a 9, you need to square it. So this becomes -2. Here we have a square root of 6, and our base is 6. Well, square root is just raising a base to 1/2. Here I have 9, and what am I going to do to 81 to get 9? Well, I'm going to take the square root of 81, right? So I'm going to raise it to 1/2. 81 to the 1/2 is the square root of 81, so I get 9. So 11, what power on 11 is going to give me 11? Well, that's pretty obvious to be 1. Here, I have 6 to what power equals 1? Well, anything to the power of 0 is going to be 1, so we know that has to be 0. And finally, 4 to what power is 4 to the 6th? Well, that's pretty obvious that the power has to be 6 on 4 to get 4 to the 6th power. So there we have it. These numbers that I've written in red are the values for these logarithmic expressions. So here we go. I'll just write them in for you.